Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to add money to Wise Debit or digital card. So let's start. Well, I'm here on Wise, and then you have to select the account that you want to send, for example in this currency, and then just click here, and as you can see, well, my balance is 0. So if I want to add a card or something like the digital cards, you can click on add, and then you will here add the amount, for example 120, and here you can add a payment method. So just click here, and you can click here add a debit card. As you can see, a pay ID, manual bank transfer, or credit card. So if you add your debit card, well, you can put here and then just continue. In this case also you have to write your verify your identity, document type, etc. So first, for doing this, you have to verify your account. Then they'll ask you the debit card details for adding this to your account. So it's important to write correctly all the information on your card. Then you can add the payment method here, and you will add the balance amount on your account. So in this way you can do an add cards, debit cards, credit cards, digital cards, in case that you want to bank transfer, etc. So guys, I hope this helps you. If this helps you, please give like to this video and please subscribe to our channel.